Welcome back, everyone, to our AI for Beginners course. In Lesson 1, we answered, what is AI? Today, my Season 2, we shift gears to the practical side. How do I effectively interact with AI? This session is all about equipping you with the essential skills needed to confidently and competently navigate the rapidly evolving AI landscape, whether you're using AI tools for work, study, or personal interest. Forget needing to be a coder. These skills are about smart interaction. Let's explore the competencies that will truly empower your AI journey. Let's quickly recall Lesson 1. We defined AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, and understood their significance. Now we build directly on that foundation. Our goals today are to identify and thoroughly understand 5 crucial skills: mastering prompt engineering for clear communication, solidifying your understanding of AI concepts to know tool capabilities and limits, developing basic data literacy to grasp AI's reliance on data and potential biases, honing critical evaluation skills to analyze AI outputs intelligently, and embracing continuous learning to adapt in this fast-paced field. These skills work together to make you an effective AI user. Consider these 5 skills your fundamental toolkit for the AI world. The exciting part? You don't need deep technical programming knowledge to become proficient in using many powerful AI tools. Mastering these 5 skills is what truly empowers effective interaction. We'll cover 1. Prompt engineering, how to ask AI questions effectively. 2. Understanding concepts, knowing what the tools can and can't do. 3. Data literacy, understanding the fuel AI runs on. 4. Critical evaluation, not taking AI output at face value. 5. Continuous learning, staying updated. These are universally applicable skills for anyone engaging with AI today. Our first, and perhaps most immediately practical skill, is prompt engineering. This is the art and science of designing, crafting, and refining the instructions, the prompts, you give to AI models, especially large language models like ChatGPT or Copilot. Why is this so crucial? Because AI doesn't understand requests like humans do. It interprets patterns in language based on its training. Vague prompts lead to vague or unhelpful results. To get accurate, relevant outputs, you need to be explicit about the context, desired format, tone, and any constraints. It often involves iterative refinement, trying a prompt, seeing the result, and improving it. Within prompt engineering, you have several techniques. Zero shot is the simplest. Just ask directly, like, explain photosynthesis. Use this for straightforward queries. One shot provides a single example to guide style or format, useful when you want a specific kind of answer. Translate hello, hola. Now translate goodbye. Few shot gives multiple examples, best for complex patterns or creative tasks where you need to strongly guide the AI. Chain of thought is powerful for complex problems. You break the task into logical steps within the prompt itself, helping the AI reason through it. Choose the best technique for your specific need. Let's illustrate the power of specificity. Asking, tell me about climate change, might give you a book. Asking it to explain human causes and 3 impacts on coastal cities for high schoolers yields a focused, useful answer. Similarly, how to negotiate a raise is unhelpful without context. But providing your role, experience, location, recent successes, and specific goal, as in the second example, allows the AI to generate truly relevant and actionable points. Providing clear context and constraints dramatically improves the quality of AI responses. It's about guiding the tool effectively. Skill 2 revisits our foundational concepts from Lesson 1, but emphasizes why this understanding is a practical skill. Knowing the difference between general AI, machine learning, deep learning, and LLMs isn't just academic. It helps you manage expectations and use tools effectively. It's like knowing the difference between a hammer and a screwdriver. You need the right tool for the job. Understanding that ChatGPT is an LLM helps you know its strengths, text generation, and weaknesses, potential lack of real-time data or complex math skills. This conceptual clarity prevents misuse and frustration. Let's reinforce the hierarchy. AI is the broad field. ML learns from data within AI. DL uses neural networks within ML, and LLMs. Generative AI are often applications of DL. How does this help interaction? Knowing ChatGPT is an LLM means you should prompt it clearly for text tasks, but be wary of asking for highly current event summaries unless it specifies access. Recognizing face unlock uses DL explains its ability to handle complex visual patterns. Understanding Spotify's ML roots clarifies why interacting, liking skipping songs, improves future recommendations. This knowledge guides how you interact. Skill 3 delves into basic data literacy. Why? Because AI, particularly machine learning and deep learning, is fundamentally driven by data. Models learn everything: patterns, relationships, language, and unfortunately biases, from the vast data sets they are trained on. Remember the adage, garbage in, garbage out, GIGO? It strongly applies here. Understanding the basics, like labeled data with answers for supervised tasks like classification versus unlabeled data, no answers, for finding patterns, is the first step to appreciating how AI systems are built and why they perform the way they do. Data is the bedrock. Beyond types, data characteristics are crucial. AI performance hinges on the quality, accuracy, completeness, quantity, enough examples to learn effectively, and representativeness of its training data. A major concern is bias. If training data reflects historical inequalities or underrepresents certain demographics, e.g., facial recognition trained mostly on one group, the AI's outputs will likely inherit and potentially amplify that bias. This has real-world consequences for fairness and ethics. Basic data literacy empowers you to critically question AI outputs and consider potential or underlying data issues. Skill 4 is absolutely essential: problem solving and critical evaluation. AI tools are incredible assistants, but they are not infallible sources of truth and lack genuine understanding or common sense. Don't treat AI output as gospel. You need to think critically. This involves decomposing complex problems into smaller, AI manageable steps. It means analyzing the output. Is it accurate, relevant, logical, complete, or potentially biased? Crucially, it involves recognizing AI's limitations, including its tendency to hallucinate. Think of AI as a powerful co-pilot or intern, helpful, but requiring supervision and your expert judgment. Let's talk about hallucinations. A common issue where AI models, especially LLMs, generate outputs that sound convincing and authoritative, but are factually incorrect, nonsensical, or completely fabricated. This makes verification absolutely critical, especially in high-stakes situations. Use AI to brainstorm marketing slogans, but use your market knowledge to choose the best ones. Use it to summarize research, but always cross-reference key facts and figures with original, reliable sources. Never ever rely solely on AI for significant medical, financial, or legal decisions without consulting a qualified human professional. Human oversight is paramount. Our final essential skill is embracing continuous learning and adaptability. The field of artificial intelligence is one of the most rapidly evolving areas of technology today. New models, tools, techniques, applications, and ethical debates emerge almost constantly. What's cutting edge today might be standard tomorrow. Therefore, a crucial skill isn't just learning facts, but developing the mindset and habits for lifelong learning. Stay curious, actively seek out new information from reliable sources, experiment with new tools, and be open to updating your understanding. This adaptability is key to staying relevant and effective. A common question is, do I need to become a programmer to engage with AI? While technical skills like Python programming and expertise in libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch are vital for developing new AI models from scratch, they are not prerequisites for becoming an effective user of existing AI tools. The 5 skills we've discussed today: prompting, concepts, data literacy, critical evaluation, adaptability, are in themselves crucial user-centric technical skills for the modern world. Focus on mastering these first to unlock the power of AI as a tool for your goals. Excellent work today. We've thoroughly explored the 5 essential skills for navigating the AI world: effective prompt engineering, solid conceptual understanding, basic data literacy, sharp critical evaluation, and crucial continuous learning. These form your user toolkit. The key now is application. Start practicing your prompting skills. Consciously think about the data behind the AI tools you use, critically assess their outputs, and make a small commitment to stay curious about new developments. Next time, in Lesson 3, we'll peek under the hood and explore common techniques used in AI, like supervised and unsupervised learning. Get ready to see how AI learns.